everybody. So today I was going through my apartment cleaning up, and I remember I had this. Let me put it up so you can see it. It's just a tub of yarn. My aunt gave it to me maybe 2 or 3 years ago. She doesn't knit or crochet, but she knows I do. And she just gave me this bucket. So every once in a while I go in here and just make something, just pick yarn randomly. So today I felt like making earrings. So I picked out this yarn. I can't tell you the weight because there's no label or anything, but I thought it was really cute. It's thin and I like the different colors. And inside the bucket I also had my buttons. I love buttons. I got this from the Dollar Tree a couple years ago, and I use them every once in a while to make something. So I just felt like making earrings today. I picked out 2 buttons and this yarn. So the supplies, I'm kind of freehanding this. I have an idea in my head. Hopefully it goes well. The supplies I'm using are scissors, earring hooks, a needle, and I'm using a 2.5, I don't know if you can see that, milliliter hook since the yarn is so thin. Whenever I work with buttons, the first thing I do is, let's see, I thread the needle. I struggle with threading a needle all the time. But anyway, I thread a needle and I take it through the back. And I pull it through. And then I just put it back through the front of the button. So just so it looks like that, only do 1, so I can move the button down the yarn as much as I want to. So then after that, I take this off and I start like normal. For this, we're gonna do a let's do a magic loop. So I struggle with magic loops and magic circles, so please forgive me if it takes me a minute to do it correctly. But this is the way I do it. I don't know if it's right. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, and then I guess I want to work with treble crochets today, so let's chain 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, I think I want to do treble crochets. So we're gonna go over twice. If I can get it right. Go through the circle, pull up a loop. It's kind of hard because it's so thin. And then go. I'm going to do it again. So go over twice. Go through the magic loop. Pull up 1. Over. Again. And then a 3rd time. I guess I'll make like 20 of these. And I may speed it up because I'm doing the same thing over again. I'm just pulling down the button as I go along. Okay. So let's count to see where we're at. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm gonna do 5 more. I'm not counting the chain 4 as 1. I'm not sure if that's gonna matter in the end, but we shall see. Did I go over twice? Oh, girl, it's all tangled up. 2. Let's tighten it. Tighten it anyway. 2. This 3rd. I'm just gonna count it again because I don't know, I got distracted a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it closed. I don't know if you guys can see this that well, so I'm sorry if you can't. Pull it closed. Then I'm just gonna slip stitch on the top of the chain 4 space. And I'm gonna just pull close. Then I'm gonna chain 3, I guess. 1, 2, 3. And pull down this button. Pull down the button, and I'm just gonna do in the back that you guys see. I'm just gonna do I guess it's a slip stitch in the back. So a slip stitch. My finger's blocking it, but so you guys can see a slip stitch in the back. I don't know if that was. I'll take it out so I can do it one more time. Just a simple. Pull the button back. So after I chain 3, just a simple slip stitch, and then I'm gonna chain 1, 2, 3. So I don't know how that looks. Chain 3. I'm gonna add this hook. So I already opened it a little bit and just put it here. Usually close it with my pliers, but I don't know where I put them. So close it with my fingernails. Go back in there and fix that. that. Should hold it. And then I'm going to take this one and put it through here with my yarn needle. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to go in through, I'm going through the back of the button. I'm going to go through here and then I'm going to pull it through the other side that we didn't do before. I'm going to pull it through that hole. I don't know if you can see that hole that we didn't do before. Me, I am struggling today. I don't usually struggle this much. And then we're going to put it through the other hole, the last one. Stick it right through there and pull out this side. And then from there, the earring's pretty much done. I don't know if you guys like it. I just have to sew in the excess yarn. So I'm going to do that and then I'll show you the finished product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is the finished product. That's the earring. It's cute. I like it. I can wear with different colors, different outfits. This is my first tutorial, so I know I messed up. So I hope you guys were able to follow along. If you have any questions, this is freehand, so I'll try my best to answer them. But I hope you like it. I may try this with thicker yarn because it may be easier for me because you saw me struggle to make those treble crochets. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, bye.